How to add or remove the text size widget in the control center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top corner, then tap on the Add button at the top left. Once you are in the edit mode, to remove the text size widget, you can tap on the Remove button. And to add in the text size widget control, go down and tap on Add a control. Now in here, we scroll down to the Display and Brightness section. Then tap on Text Size, and the widget will be added to the control center. Now you can resize this widget to make it small size or a large size. And that's it. After, you can tap anywhere on the screen here or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now swipe down at the top, and from here you can change the size of the text by simply drag on this bar here, up or down. And that's it. So if I go into settings, so we go into settings, and you can see the text size are rather quite large. If we want to quickly make it smaller, we can do so by simply dragging all the way down. So now it's really small. I want to increase a little bit, and I can drag it up, and I can make it larger here. And that's it. So that is how you can make it larger or smaller on the iPhone 16 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.